Hi guys, in this step-by-step video, I'm going to be showing you how you can cancel Shopify app subscriptions. Okay, now I'm going to be showing you step-by-step in a few seconds how you can do that. Now, first thing you need to do, guys, you want to log into your Shopify store. Okay, now, like canceling a Shopify app subscription is very important, especially if you want to delete or if you want to cancel your Shopify store. There are some people who cancel their Shopify store, but they forgot the apps that they have installed in their Shopify. So these apps will charge your credit card even if you cancel Shopify subscription. Okay, now you want to click on login. Okay, and you want to log in into your Shopify store, and then you want to click on settings at the very bottom left, and you want to click on apps and sales channels, and here you will find the list of the apps that you have downloaded on your Shopify store. Now, as you can see, I only have two apps. Now I'm going to switch to my another store because I have multiple apps on this store, so that I can show you guys how you can cancel Shopify app subscription. I'm going to go back to apps and sales channels. As you can see, I have multiple Shopify stores. I'm sorry, I have multiple Shopify apps, as you can see here. Now you just need to click on the app that you want to cancel the subscription. Okay, and if there is anything that says here cancel subscription or something like that, you need to do that. If there is no cancel subscription thing or anything like that, you want to click on uninstall app, and the subscription will be cancelled automatically once you uninstall the app. For example, the reason it should be something like expensive or unexpected cost, or yeah, I'm going to click on expensive. Click on uninstall. Now after you click on uninstall, as you can see, you have successfully uninstalled the rapid search. Now the app will stop charging my credit card each month. Okay, if this video guys helped you, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. See you guys in the next video. Drop a like and let me know, like I said, in the comments if you have any questions. I reply to everyone. See you.